Hey guys, we are on another adventure. This time we're taking a cruise. So we booked a cruise on Royal Caribbean Voyager of the Seas. It was a decent boat. We ported out of Orlando and it was a nice port. The boat wasn't that old. It was old, but it wasn't that old. We could still enjoy it. Very clean rooms. The staff who cleaned the rooms, very helpful, very nice. We did have to find my husband's luggage. He did lose it, but we've ended up finding it and it worked out. So we got a balcony room, really enjoyed it. So it was myself, my husband, and our 2-year-old at the time. We went to Cozumel, and this is Coco Cay. This is the Royal Caribbean island that they have. Very fun, very clean, the best food on the trip. Better food than the boat, I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. Better selection, wider selection. Highly recommend Royal Caribbean's little island. They have stuff for the little kids. She was so excited. She loved the splash pad. As y'all can see, look, me getting wet. Boop. The boat had ice skating. My husband really enjoyed that, but they fell a couple of times. But the storyline was okay. It was entertaining, and it was awesome to just be in a boat at an ice skating rink. That was really cool. So we did that. They had mini golf. So my mini playing mini golf. It was windy though. My girl was Dorothy. Almost flew away. So her daddy's holding her hand. Thank goodness. But she had fun. She wanted to play mini golf. That was her club. She took it very seriously. But it was very windy one of the days that we were there. I will say Voyage of the Seas is not the best boat for littles, only because they don't allow the littles into the pool. You can do everything else, but that was the only thing they turned us away. We couldn't get her into the pool because she had a diaper. The shows, highly recommend. This guy was some type of magician, magical something or another, but he was pretty good. Kept us entertained, did a couple little shocking things. This was the arcade. They even have the littles kid like area that you can sign up, but you have to like reserve. We didn't do that. The food was decent every morning. This is my girl again. We stopped in Cozumel. She was getting it. Look at her. Look at her. Go, 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 go. That's my baby, y'all. Oh, look at her. She had so much fun at Cozumel. We didn't leave the port for Cozumel. We kind of just walked around. Traveling with her off the port would have gonna be too much, but we just kind of walked around, took pictures. She said hi to several people. It was just nice to get off the boat, get a little fresh air, walk around, and then get back on the boat, to be honest. We bought some souvenirs. We ate lunch. Getting off and on the boat was very easy. It was very smooth. Have your passports out, y'all, and just be ready to go. We actually had the Super Bowl on during the cruise, so we got to watch Kendrick Lamar's halftime show on the boat, which was really cool. A really cool experience. I definitely enjoyed that. We went on February. Very good weather. Really enjoyed ourselves. See, us dancing to Kendrick Lamar, I think. What song we could be dancing to, I have no idea, but we were having a good time. Dining experience, great. Ooh, what was going on with my hair? Dining experience was very nice. The waiter was awesome. Can't remember his name, but he was very nice, very on top of it. Our daughter had a great time. She loved the food. Great ambiance. A little bit of dining music. Order what you want, y'all. If you've never been on a cruise before, order what you want. We did a lot of walking. My girl was always on the move, but she really enjoyed herself. Look at her. Overall, I would say Royal was a decent trip. I would totally do it again. Also, this was my husband's first cruise, and he said he really enjoyed it. So I think we would return. You want to build up your points with the cruise line. This was inside. Then we took a little tour of the cruise boat and went to see different like areas. They even had like a silent disco one night. That was cool. Different pools and hot tubs. They had the surfing, so that was cool too. They had different ping pong tables. They had rock climbing. They did have water slides. They had a lot to offer. I will say for bigger kids, elementary school and older, definitely Voyage of the Seas was decent. And the food was really good. Everything was clean. I didn't feel like the bathrooms were dirty or anything. Very nice overall. Great pictures. We ended up buying some of the pictures from dinner because our daughter smiled so well in the picture. We had to buy it. They did this amazing Chicago like musical show one night. I knew every song. It was so good. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. This is us getting into the buffet. The buffet was one of our faves. We did enjoy the buffet. We ended up trying the Asian restaurant. That was good as well. Us exploring the boat. Really good weather. Didn't really rain. We walked around a lot. Lots of music everywhere. So our itty bitty got to dance a lot. We did, what is that called? Trivia. We did trivia one night. That was fun. This is me getting off the boat, which was even smooth. Like getting on the boat, getting off the boat, very smooth. And that was our adventure. Thanks so much, guys. See you on the next one.